Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Logispot, an AI-powered assistant for logistics specialists. You'll see how this tool can help you save from 2 to 3 hours a day. To begin, you need to create an account or simply click Log In if you're already registered. After that, you will enter the request window. Next, we need to paste the received request from the client into the left input field. You can also upload a file, a packing list, an invoice, and so on, and then click the green data recognition button. The request is processed instantly. We can see that the system correctly recognized the number of packages and the dimensions, calculated the cargo volume, which is very convenient. There are also additional cargo details, description, HS code, and any extra services requested by the client. After checking everything, we can save this request. Next to it, you'll find an integration button. This allows you to connect any external system with Logispot so that all recognized data can be transferred automatically. Based on the extracted information, the system generates ready-made scripts that you can send to clients or partners. Here you have several default templates. They can be edited or deleted. In the script editor, you can open the detailed instructions so you could customize the scripts, add or remove information, and then save your changes. For example, we want to prepare a rate request for our partners. When we select a template, we see the automatically generated email subject. You can copy it with this button, and the email body, which you can also copy with one click and paste into your email client. Later, direct email sending from Logispot will be added. Now let's go to the history of our requests. To do this, click the button on the left. You can also expand the menu to see the full list, My Requests. The system offers to save and exit. Great, we saved the request. Here you can work with all your requests. Sort them, search by date, for example, choose today, and quickly find the needed entry. Now we move to the rates section to work with tariffs for this request. To recognize the rates received from our partners, we also need to paste the tariff text here, or upload a file and click Recognize. The data is processed instantly. We can now see all extracted rates and verify them by clicking this button. In this example, the system recognized the rate per kilogram and calculated the total amount using the chargeable weight of 100 kilograms as well as all additional surcharges, which were also added correctly. You can add a new line, enter a name, choose the calculation method, set the parameters, or delete unnecessary rows. All these amounts are summarized in the expenses field. Let's change the currency to another one to compare more easily. Then we add a margin, for example 20%, or adjust it manually. We can now see the final rate for the client and our profit based on this calculation. We can copy the tariff, we can delete it, or mark it as the main option so it becomes part of the commercial offer for the client. Here we can also see all templates, edit or delete them. Let's save the request and move to the final part. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can click the question button and send us your feedback. And I also recommend checking the settings section to customize your workspace. Thank you for your attention.